Ni muthenya ungi uria bururi ucakaire igongona-ini ria kuhurukia minista wa tene thirikari-ini ya kiama gia KANU Nicholas Biwott iritongorio ni muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa AIC Cyrus Yego. Akiariria acakaire megwikinyitie igongona-ini riu, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niaugire aroi Biwott ta muteti wikio na uria rutire guteithia andu na bururi wothe.
But firmly and with confidence are responsible for what Kenya is today. A sound country, a stable country, with a growing economy, and Nicholas Biwott is one of those gentlemen. It's very sad sometimes, and very painful and hurtful to families when people throw out a lot of untruths about people just because they know that if they can shake the strong pillars, maybe the real target that they are looking for will fall.
Handu-ini hake munini wa Mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto augire aroi Biwott ta mutongoria uikaine na kurehe mogaruruku hindi iria atumikiire honge itiganite cia thirikari.
And the whole lot of us celebrate the life of a great Kenyan, a man who achieved many things for his country.
Nyumba ya mutigaire Biwott itongoretio ni mutumia wake Hani Biwott niririkanire Biwott ta mundu urendete nyumba yake na uria uramitungataga na njira ya mwanya.
He was a close confidant of my father who relied heavily on his counsel. When I asked him why, he always said that Biwott could be trusted to get the job done.
Ndumirini yake ya mashakaya kuri nyumba ya Biwott uria wari mutongoria wa keri wa bururi Daniel Arap Moi uria warutithanirie wira na Biwott miaka mingi niaugire aroi Biwott ta muruti wira wa thirikari mwihokeku.
It is with immense gratitude that we celebrate the life of a great patriot, Nicholas Biwott, who has left an extraordinary legacy for Kenya and its young enterprising talent. To his family, friends, Nicholas Biwott will forever remain in our fond memories with gratitude and love from our hearts.
Mutigaire Biwott uria urahurukire na ukuru wa miaka 77 atiga atumia 3 na ciana 7. Na ithuĩ kuma guku gwa Kameme TV tukendithĩria nyumba ya Nicholas Biwott thayu wa ngoro ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ iritũ. Handu-inĩ ha Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.